Hey guys, Tina here with Rainy Ridge. Welcome back to the channel. So, this is what, day 3 of my 7-day challenge of making bad videos. So, I'm gonna cut up some onions and squash and zucchini and some kielbasa. Gonna make some succotash. And I got a bell pepper and 3 little okras. I grew it all by myself in my little tiny garden. I'm quite excited. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of onion in here. Eric likes onion. I'm not really an onion fan, so I'll put it in there for him. Not a great onion cutter.
Just don't cut your fingers.
So I'm going to actually put these all in the bowl here. I think that's enough onion. Like I said, I'm not onion crazy.
They're good for you.
Probably cut them down just a little.
And when the succotash don't go your way, you can say Sufferin Succotash. If you don't get the reference, I'm sorry.
I know I'd rather have fried okra, but there's only 3 of them. Might let them grow just a little too long, too. Yeah, they might have grown a little long. They're a little tough. All right, well, unfortunately, I did not grow the squash. I do have some growing, but yeah, not cooking size yet. I'm just excited Eric's going to let me cook on his griddle. Of course, he's here to supervise, so you know.
Mm-hmm. She's also going to have to clean it. Or she'll be singing Sufferin Succotash.
And a zucchini, and once again, I didn't grow these either. Just still got some of those growing, but like I said, not cooking size yet. But hey, I did grow something to cook in here, so as Eric said, beginning of spring when I started the garden, my thumb's not completely brown. Whoop. Put him over here. All right. Well, I'll get the griddle started up.
You gonna cut the kielbasa or?
Well, it won't cook. It cooks faster.
It's on. Turn it down to low. Keep going. Now you gotta let it warm up. So we're gonna let that griddle warm up and get ready. We'll be right back. Stand by.
Ready?
Yep.
All right. Get that out. And we're going to do a little bit of total seasoning for cooking and grilling. And the go-to blend, salt, pepper, and garlic. Let that cook a little bit, and I'll cut up the meat. You can almost smell it.
All right. We'll be right back. Okay.
All right, we got our meat cut up here. And we'll season a little bit again. Ah, it smells so good.
Mm-hmm. She hasn't learned to watch out for the little hole in the back.
Yep, I lost that, didn't I?
She lost a piece of kielbasa. Which they got a doohickey that actually goes on there that you can kind of block off so you don't lose food down the back of it. I guess we need to get one. You can still push the grease and stuff through, but and doohickey is a technical term if anybody's wondering.
Oh, it smells good. Oh, did it again.
You gotta watch that thing. That's why you got two of them.
You know what'd be good on this? Some Parmesan cheese. Maybe.
Yeah.
Doesn't that look pretty and colorful?
Alright, we're going to let her finish this up and we'll be right back when we're done.
Well, guys, sorry. It was a little warm out here, so I decided to play the water hose. Oh, I didn't bring a fork out, so. That's delicious. Looky there. And yes, buy these little bowls. Not really pot holders, but planters. Dollar Tree for $1. They work great. Hope y'all have a good day. Bye-bye now.